What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. You might have noticed that I have started reviewing the kids products as well. Well, that is basically the necessity because the Christmas is coming soon and we wanted to have a great present for our loved ones. So I'm going to show you all the products which kids can enjoy in this channel as well. So today's product is this Atom Max RC car. So as usual, first we're going to see what are the features, following with the unboxing and then the performance, and by the end of this video you will have an idea that is this RC car for your loved ones or not. So let's get into it. Now first thing to start with, on the packaging I noticed that it comes with the 2.4 GHz remote, so there won't be any conflict with the neighbors. Come in multiple colors. I will leave the link in the video description for you to check out. There's not much mentioned regarding the features of this vehicle on the packaging itself, so let's go ahead with the unboxing. Within the package you're going to get the Stunt car instruction manual, which is multi-language supporting, explaining to you how to use this RC car, which to be honest with you I'm going to do it in this video. One 4.8 volt 700 milliampere hour battery, one USB charger, two AA batteries for your remote control, one 2.4 GHz remote control, where in the middle we have one power on and off button and control buttons where you can go only forward, reverse, or if you'd like to do donuts or anything extra. I will be also explaining to you how you're going to use this remote control within the video. Now in last but not least, our RC car, where you can tell by the look of it is totally fun because it's all covered with all wheels, and wheels are very soft as well, so you won't be worrying about bashing it to every corner if you want to. Only thing you gotta be careful about that you don't bash the things which are important to you. Now all four wheels around this RC Stunt car are made of rubber, which will make sure the stiction is very better on all the surfaces. Now other than four rubber wheels, you also have four plastic wheels too, which you can see two in the front and two on the back. On the back of car you also have an on and off button and the battery compartment just under it. Well, from the first look, car seems to be very promising in build quality, and I'm sure I'm going to have a great fun with it too. So let's charge up and install all the batteries which are required for the car and go ahead with the test drive. Well, now let's go ahead with the full demonstration and fun. I have handed over the remote to my son, who's going to run this car to the hell.
Yeah. Hurry up, that's it. Okay, that's not stinking.
Well, that's not bad. It's a pretty fun time.